All right, here I have a 2025 Toyota Corolla with the 2.0 liter engine. This was an LE. And like I said, it's a 2.0. If you have the hybrid or the 1.8 liter engine, the specs are totally different. All right, so this one takes 0W8. It takes 4.4 quarts of that. The drain plug is a 14 millimeter. The torque on that is 30 foot-pounds. Then down here I provided the OEM oil filter and OEM crush washer if you wanted to get those. So here at the top on the left side here you have your oil cap, and in the middle here you have your dipstick. Down here there's a little cover, usually with 4 bolts, which are 10 millimeters. And then when you take that off, you have your drain plug here on the left, and then on the right here you have your oil filter right next to it. So very simple. And then like I said, this is the OEM oil filter. This is OEM oil if you wanted to get that. And then this is the OEM crush washer. I usually get the Amazon ones because you get a bunch of them for pretty cheap. And then if you want to reset your oil life, you're going to turn your ignition on. And then using these buttons here on the steering wheel on the left side of it, you're going to go to the side to this little gear. You're going to press down to vehicle settings, press OK. And then you're going to go down to oil maintenance. Click on that, go up, and then reset your data. Press OK. You can also reset your scheduled maintenance. Usually that means tire rotation, checking air filters, checking your liquids, etc. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I can try to help you out.